Hey, so today I'm going to walk you through how to light a fire. So what you want to do is you put the dry twigs, really small twigs at the bottom, and have pieces of paper, or if you don't have paper, use really dry leaves at the very bottom so that you'll have something that will be able to catch fire. I'd already lit a fire here, that's why there's already smoke from, the embers that were at the bottom, but I'm going to light this from scratch. So you put the tiny twigs first before you put in the bigger logs. Then when these catch fire, you'll be able to add larger logs on top. So at this point you want to light the paper or the dry leaves at the bottom. So make sure you light it up, make sure they catch fire, and just let the flames engulf the twigs before you begin adding the larger logs. Now that the twigs have caught fire, you can start adding your larger logs, just one piece at a time. Make sure you don't put too much because it can make the fire go out. So just be careful, be gentle, be patient. Don't rush the process. Also be careful not to put in very large logs. You can put different size, like if you have like one or two really large logs, add medium-sized logs so that it's not too much large wood in the fire. It will help balance the fire out. Give the fire a few moments before you add your cooking pot, just so that the air can run through and it can burn properly. Just like that, you have your fire ready for your cooking pot, and you can begin your cooking now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section to let me know what you think. Like this if you like the content, share it with pretty much everyone, and thank you so much for watching again. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and can't wait to see you next time in the next episode of In the Know. Bye.